how to replace a photocell or a photo control. So these garage lights are energized by the photocell that is right back here behind these bushes. So only God knows why they decided to, whoever built this place, they decided to put a photocell right behind all these bushes so that the sun could not get to it. At least couldn't get to it as much, but we're going to replace it. Like we tested this photocell by covering it to simulate like nighttime, and the lights did not come on, so we're gonna replace it. Gonna need plumber's pliers, a screwdriver with a flathead bit, a new photocell, and gloves, because we're gonna be working on this with the power on the whole time because the breaker for this is not accessible, so we're just gonna leave it on. First, we're gonna take these two screws out. Take the cover off, pull our wires out. Alright, so we're gonna unwire these, and we're gonna put the caps back on them to just for safety. These three wires go to the photocell, and these three are for the building. Now we gotta take this photocell off. It's threaded in, we just spin it out. Alright, so we got the old photocell out. Now we're gonna put the new one in. Now we're gonna screw this one back in. We're gonna rewire it. Alright, now I'll put the cover back on. Alright, so I guess a little bit of light gets back in here, but it's still, I would have just put it up there. I don't know who built this place, but anyway, so that's how you replace a photocell, and at nighttime this will sense the lack of light and that it's nighttime, and it will trigger the garage lights to come on. All good. Like and subscribe.